Okay, so today I'd like to explore the way that different CAD programs deal with how to draw lines that are perpendicular to each other. So we're using Revit and we're going to draw a line. And if we wanted to, just so that you know, if you wanted to force lines to be perfectly vertical and horizontal, you can press Shift and that makes it so. So this is similar to AutoCAD's ortho on command. So there we go, line, and then here pressing Shift. Now this is not a fun or complex exercise when we're dealing with vertical and horizontal lines because they're always perpendicular to each other. The fun begins when you have a line that's drawn at a weird angle. So let's pick something like that. And then the way you draw a perpendicular line in Revit is by issuing the line command. And the first method I'm going to show you is by using the snap to perpendicular override. So I typed SP and now it looks for a perpendicular object snap and nothing else. That's something that I really like about the overrides. The next method I'm going to show you, you can find in the Manage tab and then go to Snaps. And then here you need to make sure that Snap Perpendicular is selected. I usually leave everything on in Revit and don't usually run into any problems. So this is now selected, which means that we don't actually have to type the override. So we draw a line again. We click on a point here, and this time I'm going to go beyond where the line exists. So it's going to have to do an imaginary extension, and it looks like when we do that, oh, there it does. It doesn't require that you run or type the override. You can actually just find it like that. So here's another one. Click OK. Press Escape to finish, and let's draw one more. Now, just to have a little bit of fun with geometry, you can do the same thing with any CAD program that doesn't have object snaps by using circles. So here I drew a line at an arbitrary weird angle, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to draw a circle that begins here and ends there, and then I'm going to draw another circle that, for example, begins here and it ends over here. You can then draw a perpendicular line by typing line and then going from the intersection of this circle to the intersection of the other circle, and that gives you a perpendicular line. Now usually that's enough so that if you need to slide her around along the line, you can just use the move command. You can select the line, then go to move, and you can move it from, for example, the midpoint of the line there to anywhere along the line that you want to be perpendicular against. I think I'm gonna have fun trying this same exercise in several other CAD programs, and I'll be posting the video. Hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.